Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to log out from eFootball in the simplest way possible. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials because I upload guides just like this to help you save time and avoid confusion. Logging out of eFootball is actually very straightforward, and you don't even need to open the game to do it. The fastest way is to completely close the app first. Make sure it's not running in the background, then return to your home screen so the process works smoothly. Once you're back on your device's home screen, find the eFootball app icon. If you're using an Android device, tap and hold on the icon until a small options menu appears. Here, you'll see a few choices. If you want to switch to a different Google Play profile, select the option that lets you choose another profile and log in using the account you want. But if you simply want to log out entirely, tap the information icon. This will take you to the app settings, scroll to the storage section and tap on it. From there, tap on Clear Cache first and then tap on Clear Data. Confirm the delete option. This resets the game's stored login information and signs you out immediately without any extra steps. Once that's done, you can open eFootball again. It will load up as if it's your first time using it, and you'll be able to log in with any account you choose. It's a quick and effective way to reset your login without digging through menus inside the game, which is why most players prefer this method. If you're on iOS, the process is just as easy. Open the Settings app, find the list of installed apps, and scroll until you see eFootball. Tap on it and select Offload App or Offload Data. This clears the stored login information, and once you reopen the app, you'll be signed out and ready to log in again. And that's all you need to do. Simple, fast, and works on both Android and iOS devices. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.